Nikki, and today I have this volcano thing. It's really cool. It's a pocket volcano. It erupts. So what it says to put baking soda, baking powder, or baking soda. Put in extras. It's making some noise. Put it in here. And then put some vinegar in here. I don't know how much. Just put a cup. Yeah, it's going to blow up. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. It's exploding by itself. Okay, so I have to look close because... Oh, that's strong. Apple cider vinegar. Oh my god, look at the bowl. I think it's reusable. So yeah, it's reusable. I'm gonna go get a napkin. I'll be right back. It's exploding more. Yeah, I have a napkin here. I'm folding it because I don't want it to stay in the ground or anything. So this I'm gonna have to dump in the sink. Ew, it smells strong. How to do it again? The volcano's still making noise. This is pocket, so it's reusable. Ugh. Get my baking soda. Pure soda. Baking soda, pure soda. Cray cray. So I'm gonna get my baking powder. I did this once, Mom, and it looked awesome. There's some on the outside. I'm gonna put that on in the volcano. You can't even see the volcano. Now the vinegar. More baking soda because there's like a bunch of vinegar here. I'm putting my vinegar in here. That was awesome. Okay, so thank you for watching my volcano video. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.